Hi everyone, this is Atiq. I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel Engineering Drive. Today I am going to discuss the topic tree traversal. So whenever I say this particular topic tree traversal, always you will get 3 points in your mind. What are those 3 points? Is pre-order, in order, and last one post order. So what is meant by traversal? Traversal is nothing but visiting the nodes of a particular tree. So how we can traverse a tree, how we can visit the nodes of a tree? There are 3 methods. One is pre-order traversal, in-order traversal and post-order traversal. So in exam, in many competitive exams, they will give you a binary search tree or a particular tree and they will ask you, the pre-order traversal of the below tree is, the in-order traversal of the below tree is, the post-order traversal of the below tree is, and they will give you options. From that you need to select the correct one. Now the problem is, in order to find out pre-order of this particular tree, there is a complicated methods are there. Okay, many complicated methods. In order to find out in order also there are complicated methods. In order to find out the post order of a particular binary search tree, also we have many complicated methods, but we are not going to see all those. The main purpose of our channel is to make the concepts in a simple way, because finally we want to get the answers. Finally we want to know the procedure that can suit our brain. That's what I am going to discuss in my today's video. How we can find out the pre-order of this particular tree, in order and post order. Before that, what is the meaning of pre-order? What is the meaning of in order? What is the meaning of post order? My dear students and my dear friends, let us say this is a binary tree. Okay, we call this one as root node. This is left subtree small l and this is right subtree node small r. Left child node L small l, right child node small r. Now capital R is nothing but the root node. When we are saying about pre-order traversal, what we are going to discuss means, in pre-order traversal we are going to visit root node first, which is R. First preference, first visit must be the root node, then the left child and the right child node, which means small l, small r. Okay. Pre indicates before. First we need to visit the root node. Next, in order, in indicates that in middle. So in order traversal, what we need to do, first visit the left child node small l, then visit the root node capital R, then visit the right child node, that is small r. So you can see that in order we got now let us take one example now to understand what is pre-order, what is in order and what is post order first. Then we will find out how to find out the pre-order, in order and post order of this given tree. Okay. What is the difference between pre-order, in order and post order is, my dear students, let us say this is a particular binary tree. Okay, let me give some other name here, binary tree, and this is our root node. This is our small l is a left child node, small r is a right child node. Let us take a sample binary tree of 3 nodes. Top one is the root node, left child node and right child node. Now we know that tree traversal is nothing but visiting all the nodes of a tree. You can travel or you can traverse a tree by using these 3 methods: pre-order, in order and post order. Pre-order, in the name itself, pre means before. First you should visit the root node, that is capital R, then the left child node, that is small l, and the right child node small r. Okay, then in order, First you visit the left child node, small l, then at the end, at the center, you visit the root node, and last you visit the right child node. Okay, in post order, post means what? After, which means first you visit the left child node, then visit the right child node, and last you visit the root node. Okay, now you got one clear idea now, clear point in your brain that in pre-order traversal, first we will visit the root. The selection of the root node plays a very important role here. The selection of root node or the parent node, based on that we have divided these three methods. In pre-order traversal, pre means before, first we are visiting the root node. In order traversal, we are visiting the root node in the middle, whereas in post order traversal, we are visiting the root node at the last. Okay, so by following these three concepts, we can find out the pre-order traversal, next in order traversal, and post order traversal of a given tree. Now, I told you that many complicated methods are there to find out the pre-order, in order, and post order, but today I am going to show you one simple and shortcut method. By using this, we can find out the answers. Which answers? Pre-order, in order, and post order within seconds. Within seconds we can get the answer. How to find out means, let us say I want to find out first pre-order of this given binary tree. So what I am going to do? Pre-order. So how I am going to find out the pre-order means, there is one method to find out the pre-order. We call this method as flow method. This is the shortcut method. What is flow method? How it will work? In order to find out pre-order means, always we know that root will come first. What is the root node here? A. That is clear. So in flow method, how to find out the pre-order means, starting from root node, write down like this: A to B, B to D, D to G, again from G to C, C to E, E to H, H to I to F. This is your pre-order traversal answer. This method is known as flow method. Directly you write down A, next B, next D, next G, then C, next E, next H, I, and last you will write F. So this is your answer. That's all. No need of using any complicated method. Now, to verify whether our answer is correct or not, what you people can do means, in pre-order traversal, we know the concept. Root will come first. So see here, A is nothing but the root node. Root node came first. So this is the correct answer. We got the correct answer. This method is known as flow method. Flow method will work directly. You can go and continuously write down the name of the nodes in the sequential order: A to B, B to D, D to G, G to C, C to E, E to H, H to I to F. This is known as a flow method. So this is pre-order. Next, in order traversal. So how to find out in order traversal? In order traversal can be determined by using one method known as free fall method. What is the meaning of free fall? Simply you drop down the nodes in the order. That's all. Whichever the node is on the left side, that node you just drop it and write down here. Simple technique. Which means, if you see from left to right, which node will come first here? We will get D first here. Yes, of course. So write down D. So remove the D and write down here. Next, left to right, which node will come? G will come first. So G. Next, B. Next, A. Okay. After A, next left side, H. After H, next left side, E. After E, next I. Next C, last F. So in free fall method, no need of doing anything. Simply from left to right, whichever the nodes will come in the order, you write down those nodes. Simply you take the node and fall it. D, you fall it. G, you fall it. F, B, you can fall it. A, directly you write down. Now, in order to see whether our answer is correct or not, what we need to do? In order traversal, the root node will come at the center. Now let us see now whether we will get the correct answer or not. So D, G, B, A. Now you can see here we got the root node at the center, A. D, G, B, A. This is our root node. Here we got the root node. We got the root node at the center. Next what we got? We got the next subtree. This is left subtree and this is right subtree. Of course our answer is correct. So this is how our free fall method will work. This method you can make use of for only in-order traversal. To find out the in-order traversal, you can make use of free fall method. Okay. And in order to find out the last one, that is post order. How we can find out the post order of this binary tree? In order to find out the post order of this binary tree, we can make use of one method, leaf break method. So how this leaf break method will work? Now in the name itself answer is there, shortcut. Whatever the leaves are there, you write down those leaves first here in post order traversal, which means simple answer, leaf break, break the leaves. Which is the leaf here? From D and G, which is the leaf? G is the leaf. So write down G. Once you have break the leaf G, next leaf will become D automatically. Okay, write down D. Yes or no? G you have breaked, D you have breaked, then automatically what you need to do? Then you can break this B also. What is the next one? B is the leaf. Break B. Okay. Once you have broke B leaf, then you can go to the next one. What is the next leaf here? H. H is the leaf. Next leaf I. After that E will become the leaf. Write down E. Next F will become the leaf. Write down, break the leaf F. Last C will be the leaf. And finally what you are going to write, you can write down the root node A. Okay, now we need to verify now whether we got the correct answer or not. So in post order traversal, the root will come last. Now see here, which is the root node here? A. So we got A at the last. So our answer is correct. In pre-order traversal, root will come first. In in-order traversal, we get root in the center, whereas in post order traversal, we get the root at the last. So hopefully the concept has been clear to you. Make use of these three methods properly in order to solve and get the answer within seconds. Flow method, free fall method and leaf break method compulsory you need to make use of for only pre-order, in-order and post-order traversal separately. So with this, let me close my today's session of video. See you soon everybody. Still if you have not subscribed the channel, subscribe it by pressing the subscribe button and bell notification icon to get the latest notification updates. So see you soon everybody. Take care. Allah Hafiz.